I came across several party members, especially at my institution. First of all, they are top students. They work really hard. And I can't really say that they are very strict on themselves, but I have to say that they have this very strong sense of responsibility, first to themselves and to the community at large and the country. They are often very helpful and often very approachable and often very willing to help and support whenever necessary, which is a good trait that I admire about them. If you look at the achievements that the party has managed to achieve for the people, most of adult Chinese people today are, they have gone through the process of transformation. They have seen China, transforming from a very poor country to a very powerful country that now can stand on its own, which is quite impressive. And I think it only makes sense that if you are a citizen of that country, you support the party that has been able to achieve that, which is quite impressive. And I hope political parties in Africa can be able to emulate that and bring that kind of growth to African people. Every Chinese citizen understands their personal responsibility to the country's development. They support the policies, they support the government guidelines, and that's why you see the country being able to achieve set out goals. COVID is a good example. Measures are put in place and everyone follows those measures, and the country is able to meet its targets in a very efficient way because the people are supportive and they follow those kind of instructions.